Sheila's here with me. Yay! So we've got sandwiches and we've got great company as well. So we're at Millington Wood. I did say that we had a little trip planned because Sheila was away yesterday. Spent all day in the garden yesterday on my own, Sheila.
Oh, did you get lots of work done?
I didn't get out done. So we're at Millington Wood, so let's have a look around.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we...
This is an amazing place, Millington Wood. I think I've just missed the bluebells. There were some bluebells maybe a couple of weeks ago. I did bring my little DJI Spark drone and I'm going to launch it up there.
Here with me.
I can't actually fly the drone here. I wanted to fly it up through there and look down on Millington Woods, but I'm not allowed to fly any higher than about 100 foot because it's in a enhanced no-fly zone. So I'm sorry we can't see Millington Wood from above. So we met a lady and a dog walking through Millington Wood. She's from Heckman-Wyke, it's very close to where we live, Huddersfield, and she's told us about Millington Valley, which is further on down here, and we just turn left and there's a bit of a lake.
You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us. We only need the two of us together. I need only you.
If we hadn't have met that lady with the dog, we wouldn't have seen all this. It's absolutely glorious. I think it's even better than the wood. I'm enjoying it. Are you, Sheila?
Together we'll let you down, so we better stick together, let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world, 'cause we got love. I need only you here with me.
So we're back in the car and we've enjoyed our visit to Millington Woods and along the Millington Valley. We're going to have a look at Millington Village right now, so might get some footage of that. Now if you enjoy my videos, make sure you give me a like and consider subscribing, that would be fantastic. Okay, until the next one, bye bye.
Bye.
So we decided to come to Pocklington. We got an ice cream. Cool.